Internal PC communication failing because of the Cdosys library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. Before we begin the walkthrough for Cdosys library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Cdosys library, the collaboration data objects for Windows CDO library. It provides localized unmanaged routines for creating and sending SMTP and MIME emails directly from the localized command line or legacy 32-bit apps. It manages localized attachment encoding and localized header formatting. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. If Cdosys library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Cdosys library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double check your inputs. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Be aware that manual interventions for Cdosys library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing Cdosys library dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Cdosys library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.